Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sa mga bago lang po dyan, ako po si Maria, your Filipina engineer. Just got home from church guys. So huwag nyo nang pansinin masyado yung ating sombrero. Eme lang guys, eme. Tinry ko lang kasi nga blue. So bagay ba guys? Let me know where are you watching from. So para naman po ma-shout out ko po kayo sa next vlog natin. So guys, for today's video, tayo po ay magluluto ng Indian food. So today po ay cooking challenge ng Indian food guys. So we will see the honest review of my husband sa ating pong lulutuin. So let's go guys! Woo! So guys, tayo po ay nasa kitchen na no, and right now we are going to cook brunch, breakfast plus lunch. So I'm planning to make paneer pranta plus chai. So guys, I will show you the paneer. This is the paneer. So we will grind it guys, and we already chopped some onions. So we will mix together. And then, we'll make chai. So guys, sorry. Hindi na pala natin siya i-grind. Gagadgarin na lang natin siya, no? Ang paneer pala ay, guys, ay gawa sa milk. I don't know how they are making it, but it's made of milk, right?
Yes.
So, we mix the paneer, guys, with the onion. Then, put some salt. So, this is chili powder, guys. We just put small. This is ajwain, guys. This is
Good stomach.
Indian masala, good for stomach. So, we just put small. Then, we mix it. So, guys, we will mix some atta. I will show you, this is the atta. This is wheat flour. Like this. So guys, this is the atta. It's enough for the two of us. So guys, unti-unti na yung paglalagay ng tubig, no? Dahil baka naman masobrahan sa tubig. So hindi tayo professional, no guys. Baguhan lang tayo sa pagluluto ng Indian food. Comment down below guys kung nakapangasawa po kayo ng foreigner. And kung sino po yung nagluluto sa bahay niyo. So, kailangan mo siyang masahin, guys, no? Our atta is ready na. We cover it, guys. So, guys, we will make chai. Yung inuman namin ng chai. So, bali isang basong tubig. Basong tubig lang kasi nga yung isang baso milk naman. So we put some luya guys, no? We will put chai, tea guys. This one, lychee guys, pampalasa, no? So guys, only small, no? Dalawa lang kami iinom, otherwise it's very strong. Then lychee. So we just need one. Show them. Have to open this like this. Have to open like this. Then just put it. The taste will come out when you open.
Yeah.
So we need to boil it. So guys, I'm preparing space for making pranta. So guys, malinis yan, no? Pero we clean it again. So this is our chai. So we just need to put sugar, no? We just need to put sugar and then let it boil for small time. Then our chai is ready. We are going to start. So we have to need extra wheat flour for dusting also.
All the best.
So it's pranta, no? It's thick. So if chapati, just small. But if pranta, Should be a little bigger. Chai is ready, guys. So we off for the moment, then later we'll just make it hot again. Have to put some oil.
Which style you're making?
Silicone. It should be intact, guys. It's not looking like a map, at least, but it's not perfect circle. So our tawa is hot now. We put this one. Guys, you know pranta is a fried one. So you have to put oil. So guys, the other side is also ready. We flip it like this. Then we put oil. So kailangan no guys, malagyan yung lahat ng sides para maluto siyang mabuti. Just like that. Sour paneer pranta.
Wow. It's looking nice.
Thank you. So guys, medyo mainit dito sa kitchen. Pasensya na po sa kitchen namin, no? This is our temporary kitchen. So guys, let me try again. I'll try the square one.
You can make one more. Big one.
Okay. So I will make
Yeah.
square na guys. So it should be like this.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
I think the shape is good.
Crunch.
Tip of my pranta is not bad, guys. What do you think? Comment down below. So this is our prantas. Have to cover, guys, so it's hot when we eat. So we are making the chai water with this. Our chai is ready. So you have to sieve now, guys. You have to filter. Wow, look at that. So sino mahilig sa milk tea, guys? Comment down below. So guys, nasa taas na kami, no? Dito kami kakain. So this is our breakfast and lunch. So this is the moment of truth, guys.
Very nice. Very nice, true. Very yummy.
Rate 1 to 10.
9.5.
Acha ji. So, where is 0.5?
Because it's your first time, no? So I don't want to give you overconfidence. So it's 9.5. But it's deserved 10 and to 10.
Acha ji, thank you. So, kain tayo guys. Pranta with butter and chai. Wow. Chai is very nice. It's my first time guys to eat paneer pranta. Normally, they are making onion pranta, potato pranta, papaya pranta, labanos guys, radish pranta. So guys pala, share ko lang din no. Isa pala sa special dish ng India is made of paneer. My husband is saying this paneer pranta is a VIP pranta because it's expensive in the shops, restaurants, like that.
You can try this with the ketchup also, it's good. If you want.
Yeah guys, sometimes we are eating pranta with the ketchup. It's also nice. Guys, pala, nagstay kami sa India for 3 months with my in-laws. So that time guys, I don't know how to cook. I'm just helping them. But right now, yeah, small, I'm trying to make for my husband, for us. So, my sasuma, my mother-in-law, maybe is watching this one and she will be proud of me. Not perfect pranta or what, but yeah. At least she can see that, yeah, I can make. Guys, another thing, ang pranta pala ay very heavy food, no? When you eat it will take time for you to be hungry. Pabalik pala guys before, nung nasa India ako, no? Tawag dito, challenging and biggest adjustment ay yung food. Kasi guys, di ba kapag sa language, kaya naman nilang mag-English, nakakaintindi ka rin naman ng English, then you can communicate. Pero sa pagkain guys, no, lalo na kapag malaking difference ng lasa sa pagkain mo, sa pagkain nila, sobrang laking adjustment. So, kung hindi ka talaga sanay and hindi mo ma-adjust yung sarili mo sa pagkain, mangangayayat ka, no, guys. Nakakain ko naman yung pagkain nila, guys, kaso nga, hindi yung katulad nila na magana, yung marami yung nakakain. Konti-unti lang, guys, kasi nga, syempre, di ba, yung lasa, iba, ganito, ganyan. But now, guys, we are married for almost a year now. Dati, isang pranta lang yung kaya kong kainin. Maximum na yun. So, this time, guys, 2 prantas I can eat. And before yung lasa ng chai nila, kasi may mayroong ibang lasa. Hindi lang siya yung pure na milk tea. Pero, ngayon, guys, I love it when there is other spices, other masala na kailangang ilagay. Ganun. Parang mas nagugustuhan ko na yung lasa ng merong lychee, merong ginger, merong ajwain. This Indian masala guys is like herbs. Iba yung lasa niya, kakaiba yung lasa niya, pero when you get used to it, ang much better pala siya sa plain lang na milk tea, ganun. So, kayo ba guys, kung same po kayo ng situation sa akin, ano po ba yung pinakamalaking adjustment na ginawa nyo sa pag-aasawa po ng hindi nyo kalahi? So guys, second pranta. So, okay guys, we will just eat and rest. Then, I will see you in the dinner time guys. I will cook chicken curry. So, I'll see you there guys.
Few moments later.
Lakas pala yung ulan. After namin kumain, nag-umpisa nang lumakas yung ulan and hanggang ngayon umuulan guys. Guys, kahit na malakas yung ulan dito, hindi naman siya bumabahan, hindi tulad sa atin. So, ingat po kayo palagi dyan. So guys, alas 6 na pala dito. Maya-maya, mag-start na tayo magluto ng dinner. Shout out ko lang yung classmate ko na si Kim Pao. Shout out to you, Kim Pao. Kamusta na? Tropa ko yun guys, no, nung college. Kung nakaabot po kayo sa video na to, please comment down below ano po ba yung pwede ko pang gawin sa aking next vlog. Ano po ba yung mga suggestion nyo, ganyan. And I guess I would end the video here, guys. Kasi wala pa ring power. So, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung nang maayos yung kitchen, guys, kasi nga walang ilaw. So, see you in the next vlog, guys. Thank you pala, guys. Na-appreciate ko yung pag-tune in nyo sa aking last premiere. And the video is going good. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Well appreciated po. Even it's been a while na hindi na po talaga ako nakakapag-upload. Salamat po sa suporta nyo. Patuloy nyo po akong suportahan. I'm trying po na ma-keep you updated po, guys, sa aking buhay. Kahit na kung minsan, yun nga, nawawala-wala tayo. Sorry po sa mga ganong moments. Pero salamat po kasi you're always there. So guys, thank you for watching. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye bye.